morning to Madam and my fellow group mates. Today we are going to present our executive meeting assessment. And let me introduce myself. My name is Vijay, son of Chandrasekharan. My metric number is 264316, and my role in this executive meeting is Chief Executive Officer.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Hasdana binti Yusri, metric number 259054. I am as a financial manager cum secretary.
Hi, my name is Nurul Afra binti Azam. My metric number 259092. My position is marketing manager.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Siti Ashrafati Izani and my metric number is 264864. My position is operation manager.
Hi, good morning, and my name is Umi Nabila Bati Mazmir, metric number 259104, and the position as a procurement manager.
Okay, hi, my name is Ifni Atika binti Hairul. My metric number is 257072 and my position in this company as an administration manager.
Okay, now we are going to start our executive meeting. Good morning, my fellow staff. First of all, allow me to welcome to the new joiner. Let me introduce Umi Nabila to our company. She is our new procurement manager. Miss Umi just joined our company a month ago. Umi, please have a seat.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward for today's meeting.
All right, Miss Umi. Let me introduce other colleagues. This is Nur Asdiana, the financial manager, cum secretary. Here is Nurul Afra, the marketing manager. This is Siti Aisha as operational manager. And the last one is Ifni Atika as administration manager.
Nice to meet all of you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right. Does everyone get the copy of today's agenda?
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Okay, let's get started. We are here today to discuss three main points about the company's performance improvement plan regarding product and services management, publicity and promotion. Firstly, let's go over the report from the last meeting, which was held on April 15th. Ms. Asdiana, please summarize the main point of the last meeting.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay. From the last meeting, we already discussed about the service planning flow in our cooking studio. The issue that already discussed from the last meeting is about service quality, financial, and equipment facility in our UUM cooking studio. And from the issue, we already solved two issues, which is financial and equipment facility, followed up by work in progress about increased quality service for our staff.
Thank you, Ms. Asdiana. So now we will discuss on product and services by Ms. Aisha. Ms. Umi, please feel free to give your opinion or suggestion during this discussion.
Thank you, Ms. Vijay, for the opportunity. Of course, I will help and give some recommendation and ideas.
Okay, now we are looking forward into our problem one, unconducive environment to the customer. So, what is your problem in your department as an operation manager?
Okay, last week there are complaints from our customer which is about in a conducive environment they it just violates our purpose that we want to provide the conducive
This problem I heard from our customer last week. So, what is your solution to this problem?
Okay, my solution for this problem is I want to apply the sound absorbing foam in our studio so that it can absorb all noises from out there and make our customer happy so they can even enjoy and concentrate in their cooking class. So what is your opinion, Miss Umi?
In my opinion, the environment are really important since it affects customer decision to repeat our services. So beside design and decoration factor, ambience is really important factor which give an impact on customer satisfaction and in turn increase consumer repetition of our services.
Alright, that's all for the problem 1. And now we are going into the problem 2, lack of direction and vision. So, what is your problem in your department as an administration manager?
Okay, Mr. Vijay. My issues as administration manager, I had recently received the complaints from a few of our customers regarding on our management, which is lack of direction and vision. They said that our company does not have a clear vision and direction about our business, so they are not clear about the services we offer. As we all know, our biggest challenges is to maintain a clear direction in management. If we lose a clear direction, then it will lead to business failure.
Yes, I heard that we have slight issues in our customer review. As an administration manager, what is your take on this issue, Miss Ifni?
Okay, the solution for this issue, for me, the problem of the vision and goals of this company need to be clearly stated. However, after more detailed discussion with the rest of the management, we agreed to ensure the vision should be changed. The point is that the vision and purpose of the company is aligned, so it is not cause confusion among customers. In addition, if we change the vision, all the team members in each department should take an action on this matter to ensure there is no information overlap. Okay, that's all from me.
Yes, I also saw the review from the social media. I agree that we need to change vision and direction to make it clear. The vision statement must be simple and easy to understand.
Miss Asdiana, what do you think with our current vision?
I agree if we change the vision like Miss Ifni suggests because our current vision a bit confusing if we read one time only. To build new vision, we need to discuss clearly and identify the suitable vision that represent our service so that customer don't get confusing on what we actually offer and what service we are conduct.
Alright, that's all for the problem 2. We are moving forward to the problem 3, publicity and promotion, misleading advertisement.
Okay, I'm as the marketing manager of this company is responsible for dealing with advertising issue that have been recently been misleading customer. In my opinion, this issue arise because the information provided or placed in advertising is not understand and is misinterpreted by customer.
So, what are your suggestions for handling this issue?
So I suggest the company will make a clear advertisement by using a wonderful headline that can grab customer attention and give the effective headline to make sure the customer understand about what our product and service we provided. Next, I will use exciting graphic, pictures, and colors that avoid the customer feel bored when reading the advertisement. It is because people don't always want to read everything that have been written in advertisement or in article. So when we use exciting graphic for the background, it can help to attract customer awareness. Other than that, I will make sure the important information will be provided. All the relevant information, including significant condition to an offer, should be made clear in the advertisement. This should be stated close or clearly linked to the main claim. For example, like the important information like our website, our contact and service in this our advertisement. So that's all from me.
Great idea. Hopefully it can clear up the misleading in our business. How about you, Miss Umi? Do you have something in your mind?
Yes, Mr. Vijay. I'm agreed with Ms. Afra's suggestion, and to realize it out, we must clearly on our target market and type of our business that we run. So the services business provider is harder today for business that do not have discount and promotion. So the usage of signage and content must be clearly and catchy to attract people. So besides to clear up the misleading, we do not omit key information which all relevant information, including significant condition to an offer, should be made clear in the advertisement itself.
All right. Anyone like to add anything?
No, sir.
Okay, we are going to the end of the meeting. So let me summarize what you have all talked today. Firstly, unconducive environment to the customer. Secondly, our company lacked of direction and vision. And the third one is misleading advertisement. No one has any ideas. I think we have covered everything and we can close the meeting now. Thank you everyone to participate in this meeting. Thank you very much. You can dismiss. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.